Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Stripe API keys quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a developer integrating Stripe payment solutions into your app or website, or a business owner who needs access for platform functionalities, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, head over to the Stripe website by entering stripe.com in your browser. This is the starting point where you'll log into your dashboard to manage your account and retrieve your Stripe API keys. On the Stripe homepage, locate the Sign In option at the upper right corner of the page and click on it. If you're an existing user, you'll need to enter your email and password to proceed. Ensure that these credentials are the ones associated with your Stripe account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Stripe offers a simple password recovery process to get you back on track. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Stripe dashboard, which serves as your command center for all account management tasks. The next step is to find the Developers section on the left-hand menu of your dashboard. This section houses a variety of technical tools and resources essential for integrating Stripe into your projects. Click on Developers, and a submenu will appear. From the list of options, locate and click on API Keys. You're now on the API Keys page, where both your test and live API keys are displayed. Test keys are designed for simulating transactions in a test environment, whereas live keys are used for real-world transactions. It's vital to use the correct keys depending on whether you're in a test environment or going live with your payment processing. To copy your API keys, simply click the copy icon next to each key. Remember, it's crucial to store these keys securely and keep them out of the hands of unauthorized users. Sharing these keys carelessly can lead to security vulnerabilities and potentially unwanted charges. And there you have it. Retrieving your Stripe API keys is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. This method ensures a hassle-free and efficient experience. Always remember, safeguarding your API keys is vital for maintaining your account security and integrity.